Oni, mo ti ń bọ̀ lọ́dọ̀ wa gbé ọ. Mo ti wà lọ́nà. Mo lọ sọ́dọ̀ mom.
Is it that your mom does not realize you're married? Tell us to leave us alone.
I am bringing your beautiful daughter-in-law to you today.
Ha! Uncle Yemi.
Good afternoon, Ma. We are from Aagun police station. And how may I help you?
Wait a minute. Where's my son?
I'll bring you to her. Keep being.
Ibi ayọ̀ ìgbà wo lèmi òrojú rẹ̀ Ọlọ́run mi.
Wale, I am your baby mother. Don't you think it's about time you let your family and so-called wife know about me?
Okay, anyway, me only something for now. Me must be Lola.
I'm a paradox, and I wanna be happy, but I think of things that make me sad.
I never love you. To my lover, not to divorce your own.
Excuse me!
Oh, sorry. I didn't know someone was right behind me.
Now.
I'm so sorry, I'm happy now. I didn't know someone. I'm sorry. I'm Tomi Adebanjo. I didn't get yours. My bad. So, what's your name?
Omolola.
Wow! What a beautiful name with a special interpretation. You see, when I try to synergize Omolola, that's your name, with my name, Tomi, it gives us Tomi Lola. Wow!
Impressive.
No, apparently you're not a friendly type.
Wow. You're very smart, aren't you? Glad you could figure that out.
Anyways. You play football?
Yes, I do.
So guys, this is Jade Shola Nke. She's going to be our new first aider. Jade Shola, meet the team.
Wow.
Come on. Yeah, and this is Body, my assistant coach.
You're welcome now.
Body Jade Shola. Okay, so every Saturday, we all will be contributing 1,000 naira each for her.
Yeah, good.
Beautiful first aider. I have a broken joint.
Then get yourself booked into the nearest hospital.
Coach is harsh.
Guys, she is the only lady amongst us. In view of that, I want you all to treat her like you will treat your sister.
Benny, and let respect her because she's here to be responsible for all of us.
Yeah.
Oh, well, they're going to do come up. Yeah, we're going there. Agree with and not in first aid. After incident to say
yes.
No, it's a fantastic idea.
That's a fantastic idea. That's a fantastic idea. Am I going to go to Musafu? Be a shema treat sister in Nile. Ni mo ṣe fẹ́ kẹ́ ṣe máa bá mi treat Jádesọ́lá.
She would have to treat us the way she's going to treat her boyfriend, yeah?
Sure. Moses, come on. Be nice for once.
Eh? Ẹ̀gbọ́n ti fárígá.
Moses, one more word from you, and you are out of this training. Do I make myself clear?
As your lordship.
Well, I hope you still remember that you are under probation. One more drama from you and that is it. Because I am sick and tired of your attitude. Kí ló ń ṣe gan-an? Kí ló ń gbá gan? No, sọ fún mi, kí ló ń gbá tẹ́nìkan ò gbá rí? I know you said they meet for the very first time and you are here displaying your madness.
Madness?
Madness!
Moses, will you shut your mouth?
As your lordship blesses.
Jẹ́ n sọ kíní kan fún ẹ. Èèyàn bí Ọlọ́run bá nìkan ni ò sí o. But irú ẹ wọ́n pọ̀ jaburata. Ọmọkùnrin máa ń bá fún mi, ó máa ń feel pé ó ti mọ̀ tán. But I don't know what you are playing. Yes, ò ń gbá bọ́ọ̀lù, ò nọ́gbọ́n lórí, you are nothing. Kí ló ń gbá gan? You all think this is funny, right? He is busy being stupid. I just think his stupidity is funny. It is funny, right? Talk to me.
I'm sorry, coach. Moses, be serious now. Abba.
See me this afternoon before the training, after the meeting.
Like I said, Kochi, as your lordship blesses.
All right, everyone calm down. As I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, in a couple of weeks' time, I was scout here, Tidebi. No matter what, the only mission to one ni pé wọ́n fẹ́ wá select the best amongst you. Not just the best, but the best among the best. So after this selection, wọ́n máa fún ẹni any scholarship.
Yeah.
Not only that, plus a trip to Europe.
Wow. And everyone knows who the best is, yeah. Number one.
Moses, can you be serious for this?
I'm sorry, coach.
Once again, Ms. Jádesọ́lá, you are welcome.
Lied to you about what? Glad you know.
Because that's the name you told me.
Good for you. Hello? I don't know you to hate you. You know what? I have to go. Maybe yes, maybe no. That is not my name.
And I like it.
Yeah, but...
Yes!
What?
Yes, I got it. That's what I'm talking about. I made her smile. Wow, so beautiful. Damn. Oh, my girlfriend is here. I'll talk to you later. Nice talking to you. It's my pleasure. All right, bye, Malala. Take care.
Same here.
Is everything okay here?
Yes, sir.
Anyway, mo ti ṣetán àti fẹ́ máa lọ. Ṣé o mind kí n fún ẹ ní lift dọ́nà?
No, mo wà okay. Má worry. Mo te fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ nǹkan lọ́wọ́ yìí. Ẹ̀kan mo wá changing room. Mo rí tọkùnrin but mi ò rí tóbìnrin.
Oh, changing room. Ẹyọ kan ṣoṣo náà báyìí la ní.
Okay.
Oh, you know what? Anytime tí o bá ti fẹ́ change, you can as well change in my car.
Okay, sir.
As in, màá mú kọ́kọ́rọ́ fún ẹ, wàá lè máa lọ change anytime.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
You're welcome.
Yes.
You're welcome. Àmín lórúkọ Jésù.
Ní orúkọ Jésù. Nípa àdúrà Jésù Kristi. Àdúrà wa jẹ́ kó jẹ́ ìtẹ́wọ́gbà. Ní orúkọ Jésù Kristi. Olúwa wa. Àmín. Àmín. Àmín lórúkọ Jésù. Ọkọ mi. Ó ti sùn ni.
Mo ní kí wọ́n mú báwọn mi.
Wọ́n ní ibi ìdúrà bẹ́ẹ̀. Wọ́n wà ní ìdúrà bẹ́ẹ̀. Ọ̀tún gbọ́rọ̀. Ṣé ẹsẹ̀ yẹn ò tí ì jìnnà ni?
It feels much better, but mo kàn ní kí n fi pàdé ẹjọ́ pé Saturday ni match.
Ní agbára Ọlọ́run. Ní agbára Ọlọ́run tí mò ń sìn. Ìwọ ló máa win scholarship mi.
Àmín. But mommy, have you forgotten about Moses and Shem?
Kí ló pẹ̀ pẹ̀lú tiwọn? Please let God be the judge always. And don't ever
Limit yourself, as usual. I know, mommy. Thank you.
Hey!
Àmín. Yeah, Ronaldo.
Èmi nìyẹn o. Ṣé o ti jẹun?
Yes, I had toast bread.
Ṣé o fẹ́ yín jẹ ni?
Mo fẹ́ jẹ.
Make sure to digest it.
Yes, mommy. Mama Ronaldo, the nutritionist. Good night. Àmín, mother.
And then, ó dàbí pé Mr. Bode wọ́n like ọmọ yẹn gan ni o.
Who cares? Wo, èmi ṣì máa try luck mi.
Moses, you have to be very, very careful because right now, ojú Mr. Bode àti Kochi ó wà lára ẹ̀ gan ni.
Orí àwọn méjì ló dàrú. And I'm still going to show them. Má fojú wọn máa bo.
Mi mọ̀ bóyá o notice pé ìṣe ni wọ́n lé tó mi jáde ní second half. Torí silly mistake tó ṣe ní first half yẹn ni.
Mori.
Ǹjẹ́ o mọ reason tó yẹ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ fún? Torí baby yẹn ni o.
Wọ́n dẹ̀ lè stand to me one bit.
Exactly. That is the point. Whoa. Wow. Guess who is here, my brother?
Hi.
Hi, baby.
Peter.
What's up, babe?
I'm fine. Ṣebí what's up, my Agbemelin?
Má bínú. And then, níbo lẹ ti ń bọ̀?
Ibo ni mo ti fẹ́ máa bọ̀? Ilé, of course.
Madam, yes, it's Emila.
Guy, ṣé sí ẹ̀ wà ń lé yìí? Ṣé ọmọ kúkú tẹ̀lé wa lórí kó lọ gbà?
Ìyẹn dàbẹ́. Ìyẹn dàbẹ́ jẹ́ kí n tẹ̀lé yín lọ, kí n lọ gba nǹkan mi lénìí. Mi lè sọ dọ́là.
Bàbá, ẹ fún wọn lówó.
Ṣé o mú mi ṣeré ni? No, ṣé o mú mi ṣeré ni? Ta ló gbé mi wá jayé? Ta ló ní ká wá ṣe fàájì? Àná wọn wà là.
Be like say Chris on the day this your coconut head, abi?
Moses, I no want wahala. You know what? I pay for mine, you pay for yours. Shikina.
But dúró Moses. Ó ṣe like wàhálà báyìí ná. Kí ló dé tó lè sanwó drink tẹ̀mú?
Bóyá kí wọ́n kúkú bá wa sán gbà yẹn àbí àbọ̀kọ ẹ ṣáà ní Peter.
Moses.
Fúnkẹ́.
Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
Bí kò má nà wọ́n lálẹ́ ní ṣe ṣe.
Ó lókun. Kí ló dé tí ayé ẹ̀rí báyìí? Ṣé torí ẹ̀ nìkan náà ṣe dá mi? Mo wà lọ́dọ̀ ẹ láti àárọ̀ wo aago. Mo tún sọ pé kí n má lọ mọ́. Ó yẹ kó so mímọ́ lẹ̀ ni. Ó jẹ́ yẹ́bà. Àyẹ́ náà yá jù.
Máa wà.
Peter.
Mọ́mí. Ẹ kálẹ́ mọ̀.
Ó máa fi gbọ́ mẹ́ta Nàìjíríà.
Ó ń bá mi jà ní o.
Moses Peter.
Ń gbọ́ Peter ó bá wa jà.
Mọ́mí ẹ̀wọ̀ ẹ má dà lóhùn o. Ṣẹ̀rí Moses ó ti lè jowú jù. Mi ìrírú ẹ̀ rí. Kò gbọ́dọ̀ rí mi pẹ̀lú obìnrin kankan àfi bí gay partner ẹ̀. Ẹ wo first aid wa òun ló rí mi pẹ̀lú nírọ̀lẹ́ àná briefly àti ìrọ̀lẹ́ àná yẹn ló ti ń bá mi jowú ló ti ń bá mi jà.
Sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀yà ọmọ ẹ̀ kọ́mẹ́dì ló yẹ kẹ́ wá ṣe.
Èmi jowú.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Kọ́mẹ́dì lè ní ìwọ ní owó àbí. Ẹ ṣáà tẹ́kẹ́ ara yín.
Ṣọlá gbọ́ Mr. Bode wọ́n lè para wọn torí ọmọ yẹn.
Lóòótọ́ ni o Mr. Bode lè para wọn torí ọmọ yẹn ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n ó lè para ẹ̀ dánudánù nítorí ọmọ yẹn. Mo ẹ bọ̀ mo mọ̀ ẹ bọ̀. Wo ọ̀rẹ́ báwa ló jẹ́ sí ẹ̀kún fẹ́ yá ó wà very very important bá mi dání lọ́la jọ.
O ti sọ tẹ́lẹ̀ o ti sọ tipẹ́.
Kí ẹ tẹnu mọ́. Jẹ́ tẹnu mọ́.
Ó dàgbére fún mọ́mí bó ti lọ.
Mọ́mí mo ti lọ mà.
Peter.
Ma.
Ó ní ṣubí ni.
Really mi ò ní plan àti sùn because mo ń lọ sí vigil pẹ̀lú àwọn sister mi nípa láti máa dúró dè mí náà.
Ok, mo lọ sí fíjìn. Ọ̀gá o, àìsùn. Ṣé bọ́ọ̀lù wọn náà bẹ̀rẹ̀ gbogbo eléyìí? Friday tó jẹ́ pé TGIF ní fáwọn kan.
Thank God it's Friday.
Lẹ́yìn wá lọ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kéèyàn ṣàmàjẹ́ pọ́ lọ́wọ́ lóru.
Ṣé mo níbo ló wà látara tí mo ti ń wà yìí? Mo sáré wọ gym ni mo ní kí n burn calories díẹ̀.
Calories náà.
Nísòro dúró náà. Kí ló tó fi wá sí church lánàá? Mo pe nọ́mbà ẹ̀ tí tó yẹ pé Moses ló ṣẹ̀ wá ló wá gbé tó sọ fún mi pé o mọ tí yó o wá sùn lọ.
Ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn Moses mo wà lóòótọ́ mọ̀ sí ẹ̀ ló discourage me tí mo ṣe wá sí fídíò lánàá.
Sweet holy Jesus. O wá mọ títí tó fi yó.
Ewu tí ẹ wọ́ ló mọ̀ ó ti kí ni.
Sórí nǹkan tí mo máa ń sọ fún ẹ sìn. Mo máa ń sọ pé show me your friend and I will tell you who you are.
Ṣó ṣe mọ Moses pẹ̀lú mi ni the same university lèmi àti ẹjọ́ lọ ọ̀rẹ́ mi tipẹ́tipẹ́ ni.
So má jẹ́ kí wọ́n lé ẹ kúrò ní ìlànà Kristẹni kó dáa. Okay, jáde ẹ̀ ti pa Kristẹni sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ kan náà. Not everybody you listen to has your best interest at heart. Mọ́mí Moses yẹn ṣé wọ́n jọ èèyàn tó jọ Christian lójú ẹ̀ ni? Ṣé wọ́n ti máa ṣe nǹkan kan tó bá ti Jésù mu?
Ṣé wọn ò dẹ̀ fi yá oníyà sílẹ̀? Kí ló dé? Mo fẹ́ lọ gba Jẹ́sí lọ́wọ́ tó mi.
Jẹ́sí nísòro nǹkan máa ń bọ́dà mi, ó máa ń pọ́n dáhùn. Dúró náà. Ṣé wọ́n fi yíya Jẹ́sí ṣé wọ́n fi ṣe ẹ ni? Mo sọ pé lè tó wọ igan jẹ́ wo nọ́mbà kí n fi ṣe tiẹ̀.
Èmi kọ́ mo ní Táyọ̀ lónìí ó dẹ̀ ti fẹ́ gba nǹkan yìí. Kí ni mo rí tí mi ò sọ fún ẹ? Bí tí mo ti gbé ń wá ìkiri bí Mr. Bode ṣe ń bọ̀ látó kiri ló ń sáré bọ̀ ló ń lé mi bọ̀ ló ń lagún bọ̀ lọ. Mo ti rò pé nǹkan gidi ló fẹ́ sọ fún mi. Gẹ̀ẹ́sì nǹkan tó béèrè lọ́rùn níbo ni Tómi àti Jádesọ́lá wà. Kí ló dé tó ń police wọn kiri? Èmi yà sọ fún wọn wà ní changing room fáwọn méjì tilẹ̀kùn mórí mẹ́.
Ṣé ìwọ rí Jádesọ́lá àti Tómi ní changing room?
Èmi ò rí Jádesọ́lá ní ìdẹ̀ rí Tómi èmi fún lẹ́gùnfà ni.
Má ṣe ká.
Mo ti ṣe léyìí. A máa ríra lítà.
hope you don't mind me joining you.
Why not? No problem. Thank you.
But I won't bite you.
Meaning?
Why do you like keeping to yourself? Abi assistant coach ni kò má bá wa ṣeré.
Why tí assistant coach ma ní kò má bá yàn ṣeré? Mr. Bode sọ kan bẹ́ẹ̀ o, I know.
Anyways, money injury. I twisted my ankle last night. That was why Timmy Oshe performed that earlier.
Okay, me no rí pé on limp.
Yeah. Just show me wo.
Why not? If you want to launch me, then I will take a look at it.
Okay, I'll be in the dressing room then.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, I will join you in the next 10 minutes. How about that?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Okay.
It's perfect. Alright, take it.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Oh, no problem.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's fine. I thought you weren't coming.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I had to attend to Coach Bode. Should I come back?
No. It's okay. Ma worry. It's okay. But èmi ni mo kọ́kọ́ pè. Kí ló wá dé tó kọ́ lọ ń dá Mr. Bode lọ?
Má bínú. Ṣé mo lè wo insurance?
I think Mr. Bode likes you.
I don't think so.
I know so.
Ṣé mo lè wo insurance?
I have a broken heart.
Get serious here. You know what? Whenever you're ready, just give me a call.
I am serious, babes, and I'm ready.
Moses, please. Don't do this.
You like it, don't you?
Moses, stop it. Moses, you're choking me. Stop it. Stop.
Moses! What did you do? Oh! Damn it! Shit! Could you take on my hair, Lonsi? Don't get a wacky! So for me, get a wacky!
And what were you trying to do to the girl?
And what is your business with that? So for me, learn to mind your business. It pays.
The guy tried to rape me.
No, he said he was only playing with you.
Why are you protecting him? Why?
Please, let's talk this out. I'm not. Let's talk this out.
You saw what he did and you're trying to twist the whole thing.
Yes, I saw what he did, but...
But what? Obviously, you guys are birds of a feather.
No, it's not what you think. I just don't want Kochi to hear about it. Besides, the scouts are coming in pretty soon.
Oh, the scout. Tommy, what about my own safety? You're meant to be my friend for goodness sake. Why are you like this?
I am your friend.
No, you're not. You're not.
I am your friend.
No, you're not.
See, I spoke with him already and he said he will apologize to you.
I don't need his apology. I don't. No.
Omalola, I'm sorry.
You think this is a joke, don't you? Huh?
Okay, I'm sorry, Jade.
Better.
Well, guys, gẹ́gẹ́ bá ṣe mọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ pé ọ̀la la expect àwọn scouts wa, but as it stands now, that is not certain. Okay? But also, be that as it may, I want everybody to be here by 4 p.m. tomorrow. Our number wa bandly, kò yẹ kó máa débi kó máa dóde wa. Alright?
Yes, sir.
Alright?
Yes, sir.
Sir. Yes. Sir, we cannot make it by that time, sir.
And why is that?
Any church program, yes, sir. We attend the same church, sir.
Yeah, of course I know that. But 4:30 tomorrow, okay now. The match doesn't start until 5 p.m.
What is the certain, sir?
4:30 there.
Coaches, these people will fuck up. I know what they talk. And Baba, I just come back here.
Boy, you problem now. What's your own?
Okay, we shall see.
See you all tomorrow.
Chico.
You are free to leave. Except Tommy, Jade, and Moses.
Number one.
Befu.
Number one.
Befu.
Number one.
Befu. Atayi na mi o. Befu. Befu.
Befu.
Atayi na mi o.
That is sexual harassment, and it is not allowed in my team.
Sir, I was only playing with her.
Moses, can you listen to yourself? You tried to pull off a top and then grab her by the neck. Yes or no?
No, I did not.
Daddy,
Sir.
is he telling the truth?
Sir, he's lying. He tried to force himself on me. Tommy was there. Ask him.
Tommy.
Yes, Coach.
What actually happened?
Sir.
Moniki no shele gongo.
Actually, when I walked in on them, Jade was already leaving. So me really ring kotoshele.
Tommy, you won't ring kokon.
I'm sorry, but
Kochi, they're both lying, sir.
You know, this is actually a case of attempted rape and assault. But unfortunately, the only witness one person will ring kokon, so there's really no case for me to.
No problem, sir. Tabaniko's the case. It's okay.
But really, Daddy, I was just trying to play with you. Why would I want to rape you?
Moses! Do you remember that you're still on probation?
Yeah, I do, Coachy.
No, because what appears in very good baggy.
Yo, Bagbe, Coachy. So please, can I leave now?
You want to work out on me? You're free to do so.
It's okay, I won't.
That's what I thought.
I'm fine. It's okay, I'm fine.
Tommy, ṣé gbogbo nǹkan tí ojú bá rí nínú máa ń sọ?
Mom, Moses is my friend.
Still, nǹkan tó bá fi lọ̀yàn lèèyàn máa ń dá sí.
Wọ́n ti ẹ̀ ní kò sí training fún wa lọ́la because of the rain.
That's nice. Àwọn scouts kan sọ pé ń bọ̀ wá visit nǹkan.
Àwọn yẹn máa ti postpone it next month.
Next month? Well, wọ́n dẹ̀ ń kó better. It will give you ample time láti train. Àbí kí ló fẹ́?
Ti rẹ̀ ń fẹ́ ṣá. Mom, is she right, Sophie?
I want to pause. Mr. Ronaldo, mo pé football yìí kò ní affect education ẹ̀.
Mommy, it's not affected.
Amen. Amen.
Ó lè gbé mọ́tò mi sẹ́ẹ̀. Láíláí, òyìnbó ní mọ́tò tiẹ̀. Lọ gbé mọ́tò ẹ.
Mommy, brake pad mọ́tò mi ò dá ni mo ṣe sọ pé mo fẹ́.
Ẹ lọ tún ṣe. Ọkùn pé mo jí kó wá dé ṣe.
Mi ni. Time now. Come in, the door is open. Good afternoon, madam.
Afternoon, ẹ jọ láti bọ̀. We are police services.
Láti Agodo police station.
Police officer. Yes, Agodo police station. So, what can I do for you?
We are looking for one Mr. Moses Adeyemo.
Yes, I am Moses Adeyemo. What can I do for you?
I need the lab.
Fún kíni?
For questioning. One Mrs. Sholanke Jolade, we are reporting in this station for sexual harassment.
Sexual harassment?
Mommy, it's okay. It's okay.
You sure?
Very sure. Trust me, I can handle this.
Okay.
So that lady actually came to report me to you people. It's fine. Ejalo, mommy, don't worry, I'll tell you.
No, you are going nowhere. Àti pàápàá, ìwà ta lẹ ń fa wàhálà gan-an.
Ṣé bí lady kan tó lóhun first aid at team wine, òun ló ń parọ́ mọ́ mi káàkiri.
Nonsense nìyẹn náà. Kí ló fẹ́ máa parọ́ mọ́ ẹ fún? O ní láti tẹ̀lé wọn. Èmi gan drive tẹ̀lé ẹ. Ṣó ti yẹ ń sìn?
Mommy, sexual harassment is a punishable offense. A kàn ní láti interrogate wọn. Kò sí problem.
Yes, I know. I know the law.
Yes, ọmọ law. Torí ọmọ tẹ́ ń wò yìí, law ni bàbá ẹ̀ tí bàbá ẹ̀ fi jáde láyé. So ọmọ tó ń pè lófin gangan.
Mọ́mì, kò sẹ́ni tí ò mọ ọkọ yìí. Kò sẹ́ni tí ò mọ barrister Adéyẹmọ.
Orí ìwọ pé ń tiẹ̀.
A kàn fẹ́ interrogate wọn ni. Wọ́n á dẹ̀ máa padà bọ̀ nílé.
Kò dẹ̀ ní sí wàhálà lágbára Ọlọ́run ọba. So, my dear.
Yes, mommy.
Where's my khaki?
One in yàrá mi.
Go and get it for me.
Yeah, mama.
A jẹ́ pé màá ní láti tẹ̀lé wọn.
Excuse me. What is the meaning of that? Look here, Mr. Man. I am innocent.
Not until you are proven so. Anyway, let him go.
Better.
Ṣebí nísìnyí mo sọ fórí ìwọ pé orí ẹ̀ ò pé o sórí ìwọ gan pàápàá ẹjọ́ ṣé tẹ bá ń ṣiṣẹ́ agbófinró yẹn ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ yín má pè rárá ni nígbà tó ń sọ kókó má wọnú ilé lọ jọ ṣó fẹ́ lọ fògbọ̀nà bọ́ọ̀tà sẹ́yìn kùlé ni ẹ ṣe bí ẹrú báyìí wọ́n tó bá rán ní níṣẹ́ ẹrú èèyàn fi tọmọ jẹ ṣe bọ́mọ Yorùbá ni yín ṣé wọ́n fẹ́ fọ fẹ́ǹsì ni ẹrẹ́ mi yà wọ́n dúró báyìí ó lè fẹ́ wọ́n lóde tí fẹ́ wọlé tán ó rọ̀gì o ẹgbẹ́ bá a sọ tọ̀rọ̀ náà.
So are you still going for the interrogation?
I don't know yet.
Just stay out of it, Tommy. It is none of your business.
Problem kan tó wà ní ayé yìí nìyẹn. Kí èèyàn rí òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́bàá ẹ̀. Kẹ́gbà báyìí kẹ́ má sọ.
Is there something between you and this your so-called friend?
What do you mean, is there something between me and my so-called friend? She even hardly talks to any one of us. Nǹkan tí èmi fi ojú mi méjèèjì rí ni mo fẹ́ lọ sọ.
What exactly did you see?
Moses tried to rape her.
Moses is my brother's best friend, remember? You can't go against him, you can't!
And you want to tell me you don't know the kind of person Moses is? Ṣé wọ́n mọ orúgbó imá ṣe yàmàyàmá káàkiri gbogbo àdúgbò ni?
Just stay out of it. The truth is, he didn't rape her.
And that's because I walked in on them.
Exactly! You saved her!
I saved her. Ariela Ojowo ni ẹ. Ojowo obìnrin ni ẹ. O ṣàfẹ́ rí mi àti jáde sọ́lá pọ̀ rárá.
Are you serious right now? Like, are you serious? Oh, Jehovah kill me. No, what's in the film?
But inú mi dùn pé o mọ̀ pé mi ò kì í ṣe onírànà ọkùnrin. But the truth is, mo kò like ẹ ọ̀nà. Ara ẹ balẹ̀, kò ń ṣe ní wàhálà, kò ń ṣe ní jàgídíjàgan. She's just calm.
So ara tèmi ni ò balẹ̀ mọ́ báyìí.
No,
No food for you in this house.
má ṣe yẹn o. Ariola, mo máa jẹun, má ṣe nonsense bẹ́ẹ̀.
Gbadé lórí ẹ̀, gbadé lórí ẹ̀.
Nǹkan tí owó bá ṣe tì, ilẹ̀ ló máa gbé mi.
Mo tọrọ ni, ṣùgbọ́n ẹnu ẹ pọ̀, ó ní ẹnu fà.
Next time, ìwọ náà máa wà careful. Torí mi ò mọ nǹkan tó ń rárá lọ sọmọ lọ́mọ fún.
Babe, gbàgbé ẹ̀ o, ọmọ yẹn fáǹsì mi nìyà. Ṣé ní gbogbo nǹkan tọ́mọ yẹn ń sọ irọ́ ló ń pa?
Ṣé o mọ nǹkan tó ti ẹ̀yẹ ń lẹ́nu? Wọ́n kàn release it just like that.
Èmi máa ní. Ìwọ mọ̀ pé téèyàn bá lẹ́nu ní wọ́n sàn, kò ní mú kíkan láìláì. Wọ́n sì mi ló wà ń bẹ́ of course.
But wait,
Why would that bastard testify against you?
I swear down, I don't even know. Idiot ni bọ̀bọ̀ tó mi lọ́la yẹn náà. Gbogbo nǹkan tó lọ sọ fáwọn ọlọ́pàá kò ṣẹlẹ̀ náà.
I was shocked when you told me.
Hey, but then guys, at times I don't think this guy is older than us, you know.
Babe, wọ́n tún padà síbẹ̀ mọ́. Ọdún mélòó ló gbà lọ́wọ́ wa? Ṣé torí pé máa ṣe bí àdàgbà jẹ́ra òfò? But Peter, ọlá sísítà ẹni bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn jẹ́.
Pàdé mi. Tí kò bá tún wá lè jọlá mi, tí ò lè jọlá sísítà mi lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀, ọ̀là ká ni kó tún wá jẹ. Sórí bó ṣe wà yẹn, ẹ máa bá mi fílẹ̀, ẹ máa bá mi dáríjì, gbogbo nǹkan tó bá ṣe, ẹ kàn máa ignore yẹn fún mi. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́.
Baby, àwọn kò ní kí a máa wọlá sísítà àwọn ọmọ Mr. Tomilara.
Mo ti gbọ́ ẹ jàre ìyàwó ẹ. But at the same time, tí mo bá rí gbogbo yẹn lórí field lọ́la, I swear down máa kan lẹ́sẹ̀ wọn sí.
Ṣé bí wọ́n ni mo sọ ń sìn pé kẹ́ẹ̀dọ́ tó lọ́rùn kẹ́ máa bá mi ignore ẹ̀, ó tún ní tó bá rí ní field lọ́la wà á kan lẹ́sẹ̀. Kí ló fẹ́ gbà ń di ẹ̀? Ṣé o ti gbàgbé àwọn scout ń bọ̀ lọ́la ṣá? Àbó ọ̀nà tí mo ti gbàgbé.
Mo rántí. But guy, I was really scared today. I thought they wouldn't release me.
Why they no go release you? Why?
Kápẹ́ntà wo jẹ́ fẹ́yìn yọ̀ṣọ́, wọ́n sì máa pa wọ́n ni.
Ìyá Musẹ́. Ìyá Musẹ́.
Thanks for today.
It's okay. And sorry for what happened earlier.
At least you came out to tell the truth.
But I needed to clear my conscience. Besides, I value our friendship.
Okay. My brother came in, invite your wallet, pops him one leg.
No, it's fine. But Jade, I need a favor from you.
Yeah, go on.
Will you please come back to the team?
No. You now don't belong there anymore.
We miss you. We really miss you.
Ìwọ náà mọ ọgbọ̀n nǹkan tí Moses fojú mi rí. Kò lè sẹ́nìbọ̀ tó ṣe nǹkan about it. Ọpẹ́lọpẹ́ Coach Bode tó ní kí n lọ file a complaint in police station. Will you air some more sí now?
Well, we all know Coach Bode is obsessed with you.
No, that's not true.
Let me tell you one honest truth. He hates my guts.
Why?
Because he thinks you and I are having a relationship, and I already told him I have a woman. Why don't Sophia come pay me traitor or something?
Can you fault him? She be what you know is okay. Oh, ring don't pretend. Meanwhile, one bear.
You know I hate dramas.
I understand. Anyway, thanks for coming.
No, it's okay. No, it's okay. So, Amalola, will you come back to the team? Yes, glad you smile. I have a call.
Okay.
Oh, babe. Hello, sweet. Mo ti ṣetán, mo ti ń bọ̀. Má worry, it's about my mashallah gbogbo ẹ̀ fún ẹ. I'm able. All right, sweet, I love you too. All right, bye. I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay. Now I really have to go.
The scouts are coming tomorrow.
Oh, good luck to you all.
So, when can I call you later today?
Anytime.
When will I get to see you?
Anytime.
And what?
Bye.
ẹ̀yin náà lè kọ́ mi pé kí n yé máa parọ́.
But ó mọ̀ pé ìjà olówó ó ṣòro jà ní. Tó bá lọ ti ọmọ yẹn mọ́lé, níbo ni wọ́n fẹ́ fojú sí?
Mọ́mí, nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan ni mo sọ. Wọ́n ti dẹjọ́ nù. Kò ṣe pé bí àwọn parọ́ mọ́ kankan náà méjì àbí nǹkan. I said it exactly how it happened. Mi ìdẹ̀gbẹ́ sẹ́yìn ẹni kankan.
So kí wàá ní fèètì girl yẹn?
Kì í ṣe pé òun bínú bẹ́ẹ̀, kò dẹ̀ ń ṣe pé òun náà fẹ́ kọ́ tì mọ́lé. Ó lóun kàn fẹ́ fi kọ́ ní lesson ni. You know sexual harassment is very common in this country. Táwọn èèyàn bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní tètè report ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀, gradually wọ́n á máa rape wọn á ló normal. So.
Tí ẹ̀rọ ọmọ yẹn ó bàjẹ́ gan.
Moses, mọ́mí ẹ̀ ló bàjẹ́ ṣẹ́ mọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ ní ẹ̀rí bó ṣe kí yín jọ yẹn.
Ṣé tí o bá tiẹ̀ sọ fún pé èmi ni mọ́mí ẹ̀, báwo ni bá ṣe ṣe náà? Tó ń sọ fún mi pé hello èmi.
Mọ́mí ẹ̀ fílẹ̀ bó ṣe máa ń hùwà tiẹ̀ nìyẹn, ó rude gan so.
Dúró náà, èdè kọ́ làwọn scouts sọ pé àwọn máa visit team yìí ni.
Èní ni o. Mommy, you need to pray for me.
O ní problem ní agbára Ọlọ́run. Ojú ò ní tiẹ̀.
Àmín.
Wàá ráàánú gbà.
Àmín.
Gbogbo ibi tó ń wò fàánú ni wàá ráàánú.
Àmín Jésù.
Ibi tó wò fàánú wàá ráàánú gbà.
Àmín.
Lọ́wọ́ èèyàn, lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run, àánú ò ní fi ẹ́ sílẹ̀.
Àmín.
Go. Yo, take. Have it. Yeah. Change over. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Moses. I need to have a word with you. Peter. Ìwà àṣìṣe o. Ẹ̀rẹ̀ sọ fún àwọn tó kù ní pé mo bọ́ wá bá wọn sùn. Love it.
Kochi, how may I help you?
Moses, I want you to listen to me and listen to me very well. Má bínú fún nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ sọ fún ẹ yìí.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Mi ò fẹ́ kó wà nú team mi mọ́.
I don't understand you.
I am letting you go.
Why? What for? Oh, is it because of that lady?
It is because you can no longer control yourself and I can no longer control you also.
Oh.
You are no longer needed in the team.
Kochi. Lẹ́yìn tí mo pa àwọn scouts ń bọ̀. Ìní yẹn gbogbo lè wá fi gbé yẹ̀kẹ́ lé mi kó n tí mi yá bì. Ládùúrú gbogbo wa láti mo ṣe fún èjì KFC. Kochi. Ẹ fẹ́ la. How dare you?
Good radiance. Rubbish.
Kò fẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe ọkùn kọ́ sí i. Abẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣúná kò fẹ́ ta sọ́sọ́ fún ni.
Tí Kochi lè mọ̀ pé ẹni làwọn scouts fẹ́ wá.
Ẹ bọ̀ ti gbà tó sọ pé kó máa lọ, kí lóyún tí wò ó lè pè mí? Ṣé ọ̀tí bẹ̀rẹ̀ má ṣìṣà?
Wọ́n ti fẹ́ wọn àgbà ni wọ́n sọ pé kí n máa lọ lé.
Amúwo náà gò díẹ̀. Ọgọ́ pàápàá. Ṣé bí wàá pè mí lórí aago màá dẹ̀ gbé mọ́tò màá sáré wá bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀? Ṣé o máa pẹ́ kọ́ọ̀ṣì ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì tó máa ṣẹ̀rẹ̀? Ṣé o máa pẹ́ lẹ́ẹ̀kejì èrè? Mo wá ní sáìsì ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́. Ṣọ́ọ́rí mò ń wọlé báyìí mo lọ gbé báàgì. Inú báàgì tí mo lọ gbé òní sáìsì ẹ̀ wà. Màá wá gbé sáìsì ẹ̀ lé lọ́wọ́ lẹ́nu.
Mi kò gbọ́dọ̀ play o.
Ọmọ play! Ọmọ play!
Mo gbọ́dọ̀ play o. Gbogbo wọn ló perform very well. Èmi àtàwọn tó kù mi àti select àwọn méjì nínú wọn. Tó bá dé máa fi di Friday, máa fún yín feedback tàbí amú nínú àwọn méjì tí a select.
Friday? Friday bad. Friday is good, sir. Friday is good. I might expect feedback in your Friday, sir. Thank you, sir.
No problem. But I have to commend you, sir. You know, it takes a strong man to bring the youth out of the street. I really commend the effort. And as a matter of fact, they are all extremely good. You know, it takes a lot of time not to choose the best two out of your boys.
Yeah, well, that is the least we can do. And you're going to see you, Ben, sir.
We also want to thank you for your time and kind gesture.
Okay. No problem. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you, so much. I'll see you soon.
Yes, we'll be waiting. Thank you, sir. Body. Body. Ṣé ọ̀rọ̀ dàrin ara wa báyìí? Ó yẹ ká bára wa sòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀.
Kí ni mo ṣe?
Jádesọ́lá ni. Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Jádesọ́lá. Etí mi ti kún gbọ́ngbọ́rọ̀.
Pé kí ni?
Pé òun bá tó mi yóò di lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Jádesọ́lá.
Èmi ń bá tó mi yan òdì lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Jádesọ́lá.
Yes.
Kochi, ẹ sọ mí. Èmi ń bá tó mi yan òdì lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Jádesọ́lá. No, that's very ridiculous. Ẹ má yẹ káwọn èèyàn kó sí wa láàrin o. Ṣé àwọn èèyàn náà máa sọ̀rọ̀ mi fún yín ni àbí ẹ̀yin ò mọ èmi látijọ́ ta ti wà ni?
Kí n sọ mí?
Ẹ sọ mí.
Ó dà máa sọ mí. Ṣé wọ́n gbọ́ bí Mama Moses ṣe ń bú ẹlẹ́kan ni?
Mama Moses?
Yes.
Kochi, Mama Moses. Ṣé ẹ̀yin ò rí ẹ ṣàkíyèsí kankan lára ìyá yẹn ni? Ẹ rí pé ìyá yẹn ń ṣe èrè ni. Ṣé tí màmá yóò bá ṣe èrè wọ́n á san gbogbo àwọn ọ̀dọ́ tí ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń sọ lẹ́nu yẹn? No, Kochi, tó bá yẹ pé ọ̀rọ̀ èèyàn lẹ fẹ́ máa gbọ́, ó máa dùn mí gan. Because èmi pẹ̀lú yìí ti wà tipẹ́ náà.
Bọ̀dé, professionalism Bọ̀dé.
Kochi, professionalism wa wà intact.
Professionalism Bọ̀dé.
Àní pé ó wà intact Kochi. Bọ̀ ní pé wọ́n ń bá tó mi yóò di yẹn Kochi. Ẹnu ni kò èmi lórí jáde.
Má jò lé o.
Kò lè bọ́ mọ́mí dandruff ti pọ̀jù nínú orin yìí o.
Ó fi irun mi sílẹ̀ jàre ẹgbẹ́ mélòó ló ń ṣerun.
Ṣé torí mo tí ní kẹgbórin wá kí n bá yín ṣe Ghana weaving?
Ghana what?
Ghana weaving.
Ó mọ nǹkan kan.
Okay.
Sórí ibi tí dandruff wà yẹn nìkan ni kò ṣe kó fi tó kù sílẹ̀.
Ǹjẹ́ sábà yẹn parí. Ẹ ní láti get àwọn hair cream tó máa ń clear dandruff.
Ó ráyè ṣáàbà kínní fún mi ta ló ń wò mí.
Ẹ̀yin náà mọ̀ ta ló ń wò yín, èmi náà ń wò yín, so you have to look good.
Mo ti gbọ́.
Yeah. Kochi. Hello, Kochi. Good evening, sir.
Kini?
Èmi ni mo win scholarship. I'm going to represent the team in Manchester. Mommy! Mommy! What's it, Yes! 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 Yes!
Over my dead body.
Hey, imagine. Tómi lọ fún náà. Peter ló sọ fún mi pé Tómi lọ fún. Ẹ mọ̀ pé ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ ni girlfriend ẹ̀.
I see. So ibi tó fẹ́ gbà yọ rí àbí? Ibi tó fẹ́ gbà yọ sí mi rè. Kò sí wàhálà.
Mummy ẹ wò. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ sùn gbogbo wọn. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ kó gbogbo wọn báyìí. Kẹ́dẹ̀ lọ dà wọ́n síbi kọ́kọ́ gbàgbé wọn síbẹ̀.
Wọ́n ẹ̀dì amẹ́làgùn jìnnà. Ṣọ́rí tẹ́mi máa ṣe fún wọn, tí máa ṣe fún wọn, máa fọwọ́ ara mi dájọ́ fún wọn ni. Wà lẹ́yìn kan ló máa bá mi dájọ́ fún wọn, èmi fún ara báyìí máa dájọ́ fún wọn fún ara mi. Ṣọ́rí báyìí di táwọn máa fi finish pẹ̀lú wọn. Wọ́n bí Ọlọ́run kó mú àwọn sọ́dọ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ. Sẹ́rí àti màá dá fún wọn. Láyé wọn ò ní ṣe àbòsí mọ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ. Wọn ò tí mọ anything. Wọ́n mọ̀ pé.
Ẹ ti mọ̀ nǹkan tó yà mí lẹ́nu bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣé mo pé mo gbọ́ pé gẹ̀yìn kúrò ní tí ń wà kó lọ. Mi wá mọ reason tí kò tí ì ṣe máa feel pé òun gbọ́dọ̀ lé mi kúrò ní tí yẹn tó dẹ̀ mọ̀ how highly ambitious I am.
My dear, alóranká wọ́n mọ̀ pé ìwọ ló lè ṣe but pẹ̀lú ìlara ló jẹ́ kan wúrúwà tán wù yẹn bọ́ máa wá jẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé wọn kì í bínú orí gbogbo ìlànà máa pọ̀ fẹ́ bínú ọmọ mi tí máa múlẹ̀ pẹ̀lú wọn wọn ní gbàgbé láyé wọn.
Mọ́mí dẹ̀ ti máa ń sọ pé gbogbo number 1 ló máa ń beef so wọ́n fẹ́ máa beef mi torí pé mo jẹ́ number 1.
Yes.
So torí mo jẹ́ number 1 ni wọ́n ṣe ń beef mi.
Yes.
No really wọ́n beef mi.
Wọ́n dẹ̀ máa ṣẹ̀ sí pẹ̀lú bó ṣe beef bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
But mọ́mí ẹjọ́ mo fẹ́ bẹ̀ yín ní ẹ̀lẹ́kan.
Kí ni nǹkan?
Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ bá mi bà wọ́n láyé jẹ́ ṣẹ́rí tó mi níbi tó wà yẹn mo fẹ́ ká yíyẹ bàjẹ́ síbẹ̀ mo fẹ́ kó rot in jail.
Nàìjíríà ayé tó mi ti bàjẹ́ already mo promise ẹ ṣọ́ọ́rí bó ṣe wà ń bẹ̀ yẹn inú lẹ́yìn ni màá jókòó sáwọn yẹn máa fi ẹnu wọn lọlẹ̀ báyìí tọ́mọ wa bẹ̀bẹ̀ yìí pé àwọn ṣe èèyàn wọn ò lè mú jẹ èmi mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ tí wọ́n máa fi finish pẹ̀lú wọn báyìí yá àmàlà bàbá ńlẹ̀ bá máa ké mi. ọkọ mi fọkàn balẹ̀.
Ẹ hó ìlú ayọ̀ sí Olúwa ẹ̀yin ilẹ̀ gbogbo. Ẹ fi ayọ̀ sí Olúwa ẹ wá ti ẹ̀yin tí orin síwájú rẹ̀. Kéyìn kí ó mọ̀ pé Olúwa òun ni Ọlọ́run. Òun ni ó dá wa, tirẹ̀ ni àwa lè ènìyàn rẹ̀ àti àgùntàn pápá rẹ̀. Ẹ lọ sí ẹnu ọ̀nà rẹ̀ tí ẹ̀yin tí ọpẹ́ àti sí àgbàlá rẹ̀ tí ẹ̀yin tí yìn. Ẹ máa dúpẹ́ fún kí ẹ sì máa fi ìbùkún fún orúkọ rẹ̀. Nítorí tí Olúwa pọ̀ ní oore, àánú rẹ̀ kò ní pẹ̀kun àti òtítọ́ rẹ̀ láti ìran díran. Mélòó ni wọ́n rò
nínú oore tí bàbá ṣe? Mélòó ni wọ́n rò nínú oore tí bàbá ṣe? Oore rẹ̀ máa pọ̀ ó jìyànjú òkú lọ. Mélòó ni wọ́n rò àfi kí a ṣá máa dúpẹ́. Oore rẹ̀ máa pọ̀ ó jìyànjú òkú lọ. Mélòó ni wọ́n rò àfi kí a ṣá máa dúpẹ́. Mọ́mì ọpẹ́ yẹ ọ́ bàbá ọpẹ́ yẹ ọ́ ọmọ Elédùmarè aṣọ́re kárí ayé Elédùmarè aṣọ́re kárí ayé ó ṣe fọ́ba ó tún ṣe tìjòyè lọ́tọ̀ ó máa gbàgbé àwa ọmọ rẹ̀ rárá ọpẹ́ yẹ ọ́ bàbá.
Ọlọ́run ó ṣeun alágbàwí ó ṣe láàrin ọ̀pọ̀ ènìyàn ó kà wá yẹ Ọlọ́run ó ṣe Ọlọ́run alágbàwí ó dúpẹ́ o. Olúwa tó mi lọ́la tó tí ìjì ń da yìí tó dẹ̀ sọ fún mi pé o níbi tó fẹ́ lọ.
Mọ́mí ẹ káàárọ̀ ma.
Káàárọ̀ ọkọ mi ṣàlàáfíà ló wà.
Fine, thank you.
Ìgbà tẹ́mi ò rí ẹ fún morning devotion ni mo bá yá ṣe fúnra mi o. Báwo wà ní?
Ṣé rántí pé mo ní dáàdì àrìn ọ̀la ní kí n yọjú sáwọn?
Báwo dẹ̀ ní ṣàlàáfíà náà wà?
Yeah, it's fine.
Ó dáa nípa ibi tó ní o fẹ́ lọ tó ní o sọ pé o fẹ́ débẹ̀ by 9:45 aago 7 ó ti lù báyìí o ṣé o dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé wàá wẹ̀ wàá jẹ breakfast kó tó kú òǹlé.
Mo máa lọ bọ̀ mo máa yà lọ́dọ̀ àrìn ọ̀la náà.
Mo mọ̀ kó o tètè ṣe ni kó o lè lọ wẹ̀ báyìí ṣó ti yẹ dìde ńlẹ̀ o dìde ńlẹ̀ aago 7 ti dùn.
Mo ti bọ́ mo máa tó mi Ronaldo.
Ṣá ṣe kíá dìde ọ̀nà ọkọ mi.
Thank you for a beautiful day.
Mommy! Mommy!
Ẹ wá.
Kíni? Ẹ wá.
Kí ló dé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Ẹsẹ̀ mi.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ni? Gbẹ́sẹ̀ kì í sókè jáde.
Ọkọ mi.
Dúró má má ṣe rékéré. Ọlọ́run tí mò ń sìn ọ̀ máa ń ṣe bí. Nígbà wo?
Ẹ bá mi try láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀. Mami gbàdúrà fún mi. Fún mi.
Dúró ní sùúrù. Ó lè gbélé. Eléyìí kọ́.
mi! Ẹ gbàdúrà fún mi! Ẹ bá mi wọ́n dúró mi, omi àdúrà mi wà bẹ́ẹ̀. Omi àdúrà wà anointing náà mi! Anointing náà mi wà bẹ́ẹ̀! Ó wà bẹ́ẹ̀! Mami!